Hi everyone, this is Coach Rebecca. I am going to take you through a gymnastics class for Perrin and me with my three daughters, Naomi, Liv, and Isabel. We are going to begin our gymnastics class with a warm-up of throwing balls into a hula hoop. We're working on gross motor skills of throwing. Okay, girls? Nice. Okay, try standing further back. The girls are pushing up with two hands, getting the ball up high. Now we are going to do some line drills, running and doing a few different exercises between this gate and our gate over here. When I use the magic word, Naomi, Liv, and Isabel are going to run as fast as they can and touch the gate. Touch the gate. Ready, set, go. Run as fast as you can. Run, run, run. Good job. It's up. Now they're going to run with kicking their bottom, getting their feet all the way up. Ready, set, go. Next, we are going to stand on our tiptoes, bringing our arms straight up above our heads, and walk to the other side. Ready, set. Next, we are going to bend over, put our hands flat on the ground, feet flat on the ground. We keep our knees off of the ground and we're bear crawling all the way across. Now we are going to do a little bit of galloping. We put our hands on our hips. We put one foot in front. When we gallop, we go step together, step together. Ready, set, go. We are going to keep our hands on our hips and put the opposite foot in front, whatever one you didn't do yet. For me, it's my left foot. Ready, set, go. We are going to work on our straddle, our pike, and a table stretch. Right now we are all sitting in our straddle. We say get down knees.
Get down knees.
And we point our toes and we try to point all of our toes and reach forward. This is as far as Coach Rebecca can reach, but I think Liv can go further. So can Isabel, Naomi. And we are going to sing our ABCs. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Okay, let's bring our legs together into a pike. Again, we say get down knees.
Get down knees.
And goodbye toes.
Goodbye toes.
Get down knees.
Get down knees.
Goodbye toes.
Goodbye toes.
Reach down and tickle your toes. Tickle, 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 tickle. And if you can, kiss your knees. Oh, Isabel's kissing her knees. Liv can kiss her knees. Naomi can kiss her knees. I can't. And come back up. And reach back down. Try to kiss your knees. Okay, bring your feet flat on the ground. Your hands flat next to you. And we're going to push up into a table. Ready? And go. Table. 1 marshmallow. 2 marshmallow. 3 marshmallow. And down. And one more time. Hands next to you. Feet flat on the ground. Ready? Go. 1, One marshmallow, two marshmallow, three marshmallow. Coach Rebecca is going to show you our obstacle course. First it's my turn, and after I take a turn of showing you, then my girls will show you. Here we are going to work on star jumps and stick-its. Remember star jumps? You have arms out and legs out. This is a star jump, and then when I come out of the hula hoop, I'm going to do a jump stick-it. Star jump, jump stick-it. Remember bottom out, arms in front of you. Star jump, jump stick-it. Here with the jump rope, I'm going to do a pony kick. I put flat hands on the ground and jump with 2 feet over the rope. Pony kick. Next, I'm going to run zigzagging through the cones. In and out. Now I'm going to do more jump stick-its. Jump, stick-it, jump, stick-it, jump, stick-it, jump, stick-it. Here I'm going to use the stairs to put my feet on. My hands will be flat on the grass. I'm going to handstand, side walking. If you don't have stairs to use like I do, you can use a chair at home and put your hands on the ground and your feet up on a chair. So hands are flat, feet up on the stairs, and I'm going to move my hands and walk sideways. Go as far as you can. And to start the obstacle course, Isabel's going to be here with star jumps, Naomi zigzagging through the cones, and Liv doing jump stick-its. And they will go in a continuous circle several times. We are doing our closing circle. Everyone hold hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and your friends are my friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Yay! Good job, good job, good job.